In this video, I'll guide you through how to add labels in Pipedrive. Labels are a fantastic way to organize your deals, making it easier to manage and differentiate between them. Whether you're tracking stages, priorities, or types of deals, labels can keep your workflow streamlined. Let's dive into this step-by-step process. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to pipedrive.com. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do so with your credentials. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll notice various options to explore, but for today, we'll focus on adding labels to your deals. Now, look for the Deals option on the top menu bar. Clicking on this will take you to a space where all your current deals are listed. This is where you can start adding labels to organize them effectively. Once you're in the Deals section, you'll want to switch to the List view. This view provides a more detailed look at your deals, making it easier to see all of your deals in one glance and manage them with precision. Switching to the list view can be done by clicking on the list option, typically found near the top of your deals page. Next, you'll need to select the specific deal you wish to label. Simply click on the deal name or anywhere on the row to ensure it's highlighted. This selection is crucial because you're about to customize it with a label. With your deal selected, look for the Add Labels button. This option is typically visible once a deal is selected and allows you to add a new layer of organization to your deal. You now have two choices. You can either select an existing label from the list or create a new one by clicking on Add Label. If you choose to add a new label, you'll need to personalize it by entering a name that represents the category or priority you want the deal to reflect. For instance, you might label it as high priority or follow up soon, depending on your needs. Alongside the label name, you can also select a color for your label. The color helps visually differentiate deals at a glance, which can be particularly useful if you have many deals to manage. Choose a color that stands out and accurately represents the label's significance. Finally, once you've named your label and chosen a color, make sure to click Save. This action will apply the label to your selected deal and you'll see it appear immediately in the list view. Labels are now in place and your deals are more organized than ever. And there you have it. This simple guide showed you how to add labels in Pipedrive, enhancing your ability to manage deals effectively. Remember, labels are all about personalization to fit your workflow, so feel free to experiment with different names and colors until you find the perfect combination for your needs. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.